Hi everyone, my name is Alana and I'm an English teacher for HR professionals. And today I want to show you how you can use YOUglish to practice pronunciation. So here it is. You can see that YOUglish is a free website, youglish.com, no registration. Lots of things we could do here now, but let's just go for the most obvious. You don't know how to say a word, you know maybe how to what it means, how to use it, but you're not sure about the pronunciation. So you just type it in, click say it.
They're the same countries that China's trying to negotiate with. If we don't...
Great. And we just heard Barack Obama saying it. So as you can see, there are many videos that you can listen to. YOUglish will pause it or will bring it just to the point in the video where the word that you're looking for is. There's a transcript and you can hit play or pause. You can slow it down or speed it up. And you can go to the next video, next speaker. So you can listen to a couple, you can, I definitely recommend practicing pronouncing it, saying it after the speaker, mimicking the sounds, and maybe you can try recording yourself as well to get better. So I hope this helps.